Hello guys, welcome back to another video. In this video I will discuss about how to get my AI in Snapchat. Guys, my AI is the amazing feature on Snapchat. Guys, is the interesting feature. You can use easy way and you can write, you can ask any question in the word from my AI on Snapchat. If my AI not showing on Snapchat, simply open Play Store application and update Snapchat. First you can see appears on screen is update available. Now update your Snapchat application. Now see the next solution. If not showing after updating, here guys, open Snapchat application. First you can see appears on screen. You can see updating. Now tap open Snapchat application and simply tap on chat option, and you can see top of my chat section my AI. Here you can see guys, if my AI not showing after updating, so simply tap on profile icon, tap on setting. Here guys, scroll down and simply tap on logout option. You can see after updating first time, logout of Snapchat account and login again. I hope your my AI will be available on your Snapchat chat option. You can see appears on screen. Please like my video, subscribe to my channel for the latest more updates.